Have you been thinking about that minor damage your roof in Sugar Land, Texas took during that last storm and wondering what might happen if you put off having it repaired? We here at Houston Roofing and Construction want to share with you some information about roof repairs and why it's important to take care of the problem as soon as possible. First, the problem will get worse if you don't address it. Missing or damaged shingles will lead to a bigger problem. This could eventually lead to leaks and even mold. Then there's the cost. Addressing small roof issues early on will cost you significantly less than putting it off for months and having it turn into a more expensive repair. Lastly, your insurance company won't be keen on paying a claim if you waited a significant amount of time between the storm that damaged your roof and when you have it fixed. Considering all that could go wrong when you put off roof repairs, it's essential to get them done quickly. If you need roof repairs in the greater Houston area, call Houston Roofing and Construction at 832-237-3737 for a free estimate.